तो ऐसे चलेगा तो बोल ना। बोल लो जहाँ के करूँगा। Hello guys, to yesterday whatever we learned we not do like, but let's revise that. So yesterday learned that in this section voice is coming or not today, I don't know actually. So in this section there is no yes, no. Yes, in this section you can export the video by giving the file name and by browsing the section in which you want to save your video in PC from this browse, and by adding red to queue there will be saving option will become. And the next thing that we learn is many things also forgetted. So by adding intro and outro, for that we have to click no. For that first we have to do small big, I forget clearly whatever we learned, but we have to consistent, that's not matter whatever the situations are. We are effects, and in effects you can add effects for this intro and same or different thing in outro. Here fusion effects are come by which you can use and drag and drop it, and this is fusion effects are this fusion which takes more storage and more data, more storage of CPU and GPU. Fusion effects, but you can add many effects, like we added disra effect in this section somewhere. It will show at any time, and you can add effects, and after adding that you can increase, and also by this you can increase this and decrease these from where you want to do that. Fixed it, and let's do big to edit. And here no, what was by this you can do this type of thing. I don't know what is this thing, but this is the thing which also we learned. By clicking in this area you can do that, and this is the intro, and same thing you can copy and paste, and in if you delete some part like this part is deleted, so by control Z it will reverse like in MS Word each. And after effects you can add generators. In generators these types of effects you can add in some parts. You can pin it and in some part, on that part this effect will be shown. Matlab this type of effects is in generators. And in video translation you can add, let's delete it, by control Z. And in video translation you can add, let's drag here to explain to understand, for better understanding. You can add like this effect in this is for smart time, and these effects are for long time.
तो हम तो अब हम सेकंड
Bad this is not showing. I don't know why video is not showing. Some problems are but we don't know what is the problem because we are at learning phase. So this was we learn you can use this type of effects, and in future transitions again fusion transition high level of things are which may be hacked, hanging for the laptop. Means effect is used for intro and outro and long type of effects, and video transition effects are used for short type of this type of movement, and in all generators for dash types of this type of things. So this is learn, and for music you can use. I am checking that sound is coming or not. Where you want to do that fixed it. I don't know why in previous life there is so sound of dog barking and why today is not. I don't know because on that day many obstacles, many sounds are in external environment. Maybe I don't know. So the thing is, I forget whatever we watch learned yesterday because in life many problems, many we are doing very big things that doesn't matter, that all are fail because we are exploring ourselves, but we do 100% mental effort and physical effort. So by that we forget the things. So in effects I said let's not waste the time, and we are saying in song like in music you can add any music, and simply you can drag and drop on this, and from there where you drop the music you can drag and drop where you want to do, like here we yesterday do. And in music section we also learn something like there. So in music section we studied that by that we forget whatever we learned, but let's try to memorize the things. So like example, text example of this. By this you can also first thing where we live from continue there, like by clicking on this you can add effects, whatever effects you can want, and place in them, and you can change by default which type of effects you want. It's hanging, and by clicking cross the effects will be add, and in this is add in one section only. If there are multiple layers you can for that by for adding in multiple layer you can select, you can select and copy and paste in which layer you want to add. From like by this you can copy. I have not multiple layers so I am doing in this because I want to explain only, but you have to put in another paste attributes, and in this volume means that whatever volume is in your previous click, that volume will be same in where you are using these. And in equalizer means effects whatever you de edited in your first clip, that effects will be copied. And in plugins matlab we don't know, so by applying you can apply, but I not apply because I only explain. And this is A1, this is A2. A1 means audio 1, A2 means audio 2. And bus 1, we not touch them. That are dangerous things. Not dangerous, but explaining that we have not to touch. And by this, you can increase the. I know, don't know what is this, but this is increasing by normal to you can increase. You have to increase somewhere and you have to decrease somewhere. What is we don't know, but you can increase, you have to increase and decrease for better when it. So this was learned. And today we are learn some today we will learn some color grading. And in this not this was the thing whatever we learned yesterday. And like this, by clicking this, there is in section in inspector come where you can add the types of the whatever you want to things enter in your title. In this section you can edit this things we you put the effects there, you can edit that effects in this. So this was the thing, the things which we was learned. And many things we forget because our mind is on so tension, because when you try to do very big, the mind, this is the nature of the mind, so our mind not able to memorize the things properly because we have to many work, by that many stress, many forgetting things are created. Back. कहाँ मेरी धड़कन एक दुख साथ रह ना सके।